Hi, this is Joe and welcome back to the shop. This week we're going to do some 3D printing. Not sure, but most of you, like we, have a lot of, or purchase a lot of plastic containers in the store. And then when you're done, you have a bunch of plastic containers. Not liking to throw them away, we like to recycle them. So I have these interesting 48 ounce 1.56 kilogram plastic containers with lids, and it would be nice to have a spot on my out in the shop to store a bunch of parts in a consolidated manner. So just sticking a bunch of parts in one of these plastic containers isn't very optimal, because then you have to dig through stuff. So what I come up with is a way to 3D print some parts trays. So in this video we're going to design some trays. We're going to print them up, and then we're going to do an initial fitting of the trays inside the plastic food containers. What I first did was go in and work up some designs in Fusion 360. Those plastic food containers are tapered slightly, so I did some measuring, and anywhere from 120 millimeters at the bottom to around 130 millimeters at the top of the food container. So I've created three parts trays here, and they have 4 dividers in them. So, and I have the bottom tray as 120 millimeters, the middle tray as 125 millimeters, and the top tray as 130 millimeters. So I have these all laid out. Let's take them down and do some these designs down and do some printing. I printed the 3 parts bins. These containers are 48 ounces, 1.36 kilograms. Basically plastic food container. It is slightly tapered. It comes with a plastic lid. I figured these stacked up on my shelf would make really good concise parts bins. So let's take the first tray I printed is 120 millimeters. All the trays have 4 dividers in them for 4 spaces. So we put the 120 in. Okay, then the 125 millimeter and the 130 millimeter. Plenty of room at the top for the lid. I now have very concise storage. 3 trays, 4 bins, or 4 dividers each tray. And there's the container. I'll put the all of the designs for the trays in Thingiverse, and I'll post the links at the bottom of the video. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed the video.